Bien, continuamos. So let's go back to our book and let's go back to page 38, página 38. So today we're going to start with the days of the week, los días de la semana. Muy fácil, chicos, very easy. Let's practice them, let's read them. Los días de la semana: lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes. Fin de semana, weekend: sábado, domingo. Sábado, domingo. Okay, I'm gonna read all of them in a row together. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Muy bien. Can you read them for me, please? Aloud, guys. I want to hear you. Perfecto. Excelente pronunciación. Very good pronunciation, guys. And so, we have here days of the week, los días de la semana, from Monday to Friday, ¿no? De lunes a viernes. And then the weekend, fin de semana, we have Saturday and Sunday. So sábado, domingo. So we have Monday, lunes, Tuesday, martes, Wednesday, miércoles, Thursday, jueves, Friday, viernes, Saturday, sábado, Sunday, domingo. Muy bien, perfecto. Los días de la semana son siempre masculinos. So remember that the days of the week, they are always masculine. Okay? So, ejemplo: el lunes, el martes, el miércoles, el jueves, el viernes, el sábado, el domingo. So they are all masculine. Perfecto. ¿Todo claro, chicos? Todo claro. For example, if I ask you, ¿qué día es hoy? So what is it the day today? ¿Qué día es hoy? So what day is it today? Hoy es lunes. Hoy es lunes. Is that the day I'm recording this video is lunes. Okay, it's Monday, but the day you're watching it, I don't know what day is it. Let me know. ¿Qué día es hoy? Muy bien. Perfecto, chicos. Days of the week. Learn the days of the week by heart. Muy importante, very important. No problem with the days of the week. Todo claro, chicos? All clear? Muy bien. Now let's practice a conversation using the days of the week and also the time, asking about the time of places in your neighborhood, in your area. Okay? So you see, everything is connected. We have learned places in your neighborhood, the time, days of the week. Now we are going to practice all of them together. Lee y practica. ¿A qué hora abre el banco? Hoy es domingo. Está cerrado. ¿Qué días abre? Abre de lunes a viernes de 8 a 2. Muchas gracias. De nada. Okay, muy bien, chicos. Now let's practice the conversation. I'm A and you are B. Yo soy A y tú eres B. ¿A qué hora abre el banco? ¿Qué días abre? Muchas gracias. Perfecto, chicos. Muy bien. Buen trabajo. Very, very good job. So this is the conversation. Let's see what are we saying here. Let's see what are they saying here. You see, it's these two ladies, and they're having a coffee, and they are talking about the times of the bank. So, ¿a qué hora abre el banco? So, what time does the bank opens? Abre means open. So, what time does the bank open? Hoy es domingo. You know the one. ¿No? Today is Sunday. Está cerrado. So, is closed. Cerrado means closed. ¿Qué días abre? So, what days is it open? Or what day do they open? Abre de lunes a viernes de 8 a 2. So it opens from de means from Monday to, a means to, you remember that, Fridays from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So abre de lunes a viernes de 8 a 2. Muchas gracias. You know the one. No? Thank you very much. De nada. You're welcome. Excelente, chicos. You know more Spanish than me now. That's amazing. Excelente. Very, very good job. Perfecto. Now, I want you to practice with all the places in your neighborhood, not only with the bank. For example, let's think about the supermarket. El supermercado. So we have here, practica la conversación usando los horarios de tu país para los siguientes lugares: el supermercado, la farmacia y correos. So practice the conversation using the times of your country. Para los siguientes lugares. So for the following places: el supermercado, so the supermarket, la farmacia, the pharmacy, y correos. Correos is the post office. Okay, so you're gonna make the same conversation that we did here, but instead of the bank, supermarket, pharmacy, post office. And then you change the times. Okay, just practice this conversation. Practice with your husband. Practice with your girlfriend. Practice with your friend, daughter, son, lover, mother-in-law, father-in-law, everyone. Practice this conversation. Practica, chicas. Okay. Muy bien. So now that we know the time, we know how to ask what time is open, what time is closed. Let's go to exercise number 4. Ejercicio número 4. Me levanto temprano. Me levanto temprano. What does that mean? So I get up early. Do you get up early, guys? Tell me the truth. ¿Te levantas temprano? Yo me levanto temprano. I get up very early. Une los verbos reflexivos con las imágenes correspondientes. Okay, so we are going to see now reflexive verb. What are reflexive verbs in Spanish? Reflexive verb are verb that the action is coming back to the person speaking, okay, to the subject. For example, if I say brush my teeth, in Spanish we say lavarse los dientes. So that's brush your teeth yourself. That's the way we say it. Okay, lavarse los dientes. Normally, reflexive verb ends in se, se. Anytime you see a verb ending in se, se, it means it's reflexive in the infinitive. So we have lavarse los dientes. Acostarse. Acostarse. Ducharse. Ducharse. Despertarse. Despertarse. Levantarse. Levantarse. Peinarse. Peinarse. Muy bien, chicos. Perfecto. Buen trabajo. So now that we know those verbs, we need to match them to the pictures now. Okay, we know the meaning. Let's match them. Let's start with número uno. What is number one? You can see the alarm. Okay, so that's gonna be despertarse. Muy bien. Despertarse. Número 2. Peinarse. Muy bien. Peinarse. Ok. Número 3. Lavarse los dientes. Lavarse los dientes. Muy bien. Número 4. See, she's ready to go to bed. So that's gonna be acostarse. Acostarse. Okay, you have it here. Acostarse, so to go to bed. Número 5. Ducharse. Ducharse. Perfecto. Y número 6. That's the most difficult one. It's the only one missing, guys. Levantarse. So we have it here. Levantarse. Perfecto, chicos. Oh, are we missing? No, that's all. Yeah, we've done all of them. Yeah, levantarse. We have an example here of this guy. He's a little bit sleepy. He said, me levanto a las 6 de la mañana. So I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Me levanto a las 6 de la mañana. ¿Y tú? ¿A qué hora te levantas? Muy bien, chicos. Perfecto. Good job, good job. So let's leave it here for today. And we will continue in the next class explaining the conjugation of reflexive verbs. Vamos a ver la conjugación de los verbos reflexivos. Muchas gracias, chicos. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego.